Alright, opening up another box sent from Spice Dragons, California. Got our new guy in today. It's a heat pack. And
What's in his bag?
kind of taking me forever to get this off. Alright. Oh, I see a little red guy in there. Ichigo.